Thank you so much for joining us at the Shure booth at InfoComm 2025. And we are here to talk about the Open AV Cloud Initiative. And congratulations on the announcement last month. Omer, I want to start with you. So let's talk a little bit about the inspiration behind the formation of AV Cloud Initiative.
Yeah, for sure. So, I've been in this industry for almost 30 years. And Excite today is a cloud software company, right? And we live and breathe cloud and APIs. And recently, I've seen how easy it is in the software as a service industry to just click a bunch of buttons and integrate Microsoft Teams into Salesforce and Zoom into Slack and so on. And I kept asking myself why it's not like that in our industry, right? And we need to keep in mind that all the new application from room booking to monitoring to AI agents, they all live in the cloud. And to be able to kind of stand up for customers' expectation, the ID guys now, we have to step up and we have to enable those APIs in the cloud. And we keep asking ourselves, how can we make it better, easier, more integrated for our customers? And I think the first step there is to have our devices accessible to cloud-first APIs. And that really is the very core thought behind OpenAV on getting our industry to move into that direction.
Yeah, I love that. And are there specific challenges that we're trying to solve for our customers? And maybe, Aaron, I'll throw that one over to you.
Yeah, I mean, I'd really echo what Omer said, which is the big challenge is as the industries move towards an IT focus and away from kind of just moving video around, that kind of integration is incredibly important. So you have to be able to offer up your system in a way that it will work with someone else. And that is the main challenge. Like people have this expectation that they can seamlessly integrate systems. And so it's not just about, can I get video from HDMI into a screen, but it really becomes about how do I monitor and maintain and actually get use out of the fact that I have all these devices in the world. And they're going to want different systems to do that. And really being open about your data and open about how your product works will really facilitate that.
Yeah, I love that answer. And so talking about those challenges and this initiative coming forward, Susy, do you want to comment on how you envision open APIs transforming the AV industry moving forward in the next few years?
Yes, a little bit background on my side. So I have 30 years of IT and barely 2 years of AV. So coming from the IT industry to this one, my first question is like, what do you mean that they are not in the cloud? And then it's like everybody will look at me funny. And then I said, what do you mean that they are not talking to each other? It's like, so the thing is that interoperability is very important. Everybody, for whatever reason it is, there's always a best of breed of something. But then it is going to be too hard for one room to have multiple vendors and they are all completely managed separately. It is such a thing that is understood in the IT domain. AV is moving into the IT domain. It becomes a must in all of that everything is remotely, globally managed and with an API, open API, so then everybody can actually go into the same solution to help our customers.
Yeah, I like that answer too. Well, as three of the founding members and brands, what opportunities are there for smaller AV companies to get involved and contribute to the goals of the AV Cloud Initiative?
I think it's actually a great opportunity for, to be honest, anyone in the industry, small or big, device manufacturers, consultants, system integrators, everybody are very much welcome. We started with vendors and device manufacturers because, I think it's up to us to make sure those APIs are available for the customers and the system integrator. But we really do welcome everybody to join. It is not, a marketing vehicle that is purposed to help any of the specific companies. It's about the industries. And I think we all have to do, like what Aaron said once, right? Just simply be a better citizen of the industry, right? So everybody welcome, small or big, right? We just have to kind of believe in what we believe in, that, our customers come first. We need to have the APIs available for them. And we need to be open and integrated to all the other platforms, competitive or not. It really does not matter.
Great.
Well, I would add one thing to that, which is just, companies like ours, we respond to customers, and our customers are the integrators. So, their involvement in an initiative like this, their demanding of this sort of behavior will change the behavior of the companies themselves, because, that's what we're here for. We're here to service the industry with solutions for the problems they're running into.
Yes, that's right. Because like system integrators, they are also transforming their business more and more they offer services. They offer room as a service. They want to manage it for the customer. I will monitor it, manage it, and make sure that everything is just working for you. As they are transforming their business to this area, the more they will require this, or this will help them a lot.
Great. Yeah. And if anyone watching wants more information, where can they go for that?
OpenAV.cloud and reach out. And I just added, we were surprised after the announcement a couple of weeks ago. We got hundreds of leads, specifically from end customers and system integrators. And they always ask, to Aaron's point, well, how can we help, right? How can you help by, asking the vendors to do more for what you need to open those APIs and make it accessible for you. So yeah, OpenAV.cloud.
Great. Well, thank you so much for joining us today, and enjoy the rest of the show.
Awesome.
Thank you so much, Julie. Thank you.
Thanks.